thanks for stopping by. Today we are making a do-it-yourself latte lip scrub. I've noticed out here in Colorado my lips and skin have definitely gotten more dry than my home state of Pennsylvania, where the humidity is just a little higher. So what you're going to be needing is just 4 ingredients that you can find in your pantry. I'm going to start out with ground coffee. I use caffeinated because it also gives your lip scrub a plumping effect, but you could use decaf if you'd like as well. So that's a half cup. You're going to need a half a cup of some type of sugar. I use organic cane sugar, but I've also noticed that brown sugar works well as a good substitute. You're also going to need vanilla extract or vanilla essential oil. You need to make sure your vanilla extract does not have any alcohol in the ingredients because that would actually dry your lips, and we're going for the opposite effect. You're also going to need a half a cup of melted coconut oil, and I use organic and unrefined. I find that gives me the best results for the longevity of this lip scrub. So go ahead and mix everything together thoroughly. Depending on your preference, you may want to add some more coconut oil, but I like the consistency that this recipe gives. I like to put mine on at night or in the morning while I'm putting my makeup on and getting ready. I leave it on there for a good 5 minutes, and then I massage it more into my lips and wipe it off. And yeah, I use this in the winter months, and it's really been a great turnaround for my lips. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please subscribe, and if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see in the future, please let me know. All right, thanks for stopping by. Bye.